Hello and welcome to our ASMR News channel. Today, we have a special and intriguing story for you. It's about how former President Donald Trump survived an assassination attempt. Yes, you heard that right. In this relaxing video, we'll delve into the details of this incredible event, providing you with all the information in a calming and soothing manner. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Before we dive deeper into the story, I want to remind you to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy relaxing and informative ASMR content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more calming content for you. Now let's get into the details. It was a day like any other, but suddenly everything changed. Security was tight, but the threat was real. As Donald Trump was making his way through a crowd, a sudden and unexpected attempt on his life was made. Thanks to the quick actions of his security team, the situation was swiftly handled and Trump was unharmed. After the attempt, the atmosphere was tense, but Trump remained composed. He was swiftly moved to a secure location and authorities began their investigation. The public was shocked, but many were relieved to hear that Trump was safe. This incident reminded everyone of the unpredictability of life and the importance of staying vigilant. As we continue, I want to take a moment to help you relax. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Let the tension melt away as we transition from the chaos of the event to the calmness of our surroundings. Remember, you are safe and secure. In conclusion, the survival of Donald Trump from an assassination attempt was a dramatic event that showcased the importance of security and preparedness. It also highlighted the resilience of individuals in the face of danger. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found this story both informative and relaxing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest ASMR news content. Until next time, stay calm, stay informed, and stay relaxed.